Dear friends, preposition is a word that describes time and place in the sentence. So we have a case of two preposition. Preposition in and preposition into. Now the question is, what is the difference between these two prepositions? So let's check it out. So regarding the preposition in, when a person or thing exists in a four walls, which means a person or thing surrounded by four walls, and it is not in a motion. Which means it is not in a motion. In that situation, you can use the word in. In that case, you can use the preposition in. Like, let's have an example. The boy is in the class. So in this example, the boy is the subject of the sentence, and in the class is the whole prepositional phrase. So the word in is the preposition. As you know, prepositional phrase starts with preposition and ends with noun. So the word class is the object of this preposition. It's a noun, but it is also an object of the preposition. So the thing is, the boy is already in the class and the boy is not doing any motion. So when you talk about a subject, a person or thing which is in any object and it is not doing any motion, in that case we can use preposition in. Talking about the preposition into, so let's have a definition. When a person or thing goes from outside to inside in any object, and the person or thing is in a motion. So when we use the preposition into, when a person or thing goes from outside to inside. Let's have an example. If the boy is going in the class and the motion of the boy is continuous, in that case we can use into, like, the boy is going into the class. Now you can see that the subject of the sentence is in the motion. He is in the motion and he is going into the class. So this is the preposition, and this preposition shows the motion. On the other hand, preposition in does not show any motion of any subject. So here the boy is already in the class. This boy is not in any motion. On the other hand, the boy who is outside and he is going inside the class. So there is the case of motion. So when an object or when a thing or person going inside any object, in that case we use preposition into. The preposition in, the meaning of the preposition in and into are the same, but the difference is motion. The preposition in does not show any motion. Preposition into shows the motion of the subject, and that subject is going inside any object. But in this case, the subject is already inside that object, right? So this is the difference between in and into. So I hope you will have gained some extra knowledge from this video, and thank you.